Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak katsu. First, select a tender steak cut, ideally about 1 inch thick. Gently pound it to an even 1/2 inch thickness for consistent cooking. Next, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This initial preparation is key for a flavorful and perfectly cooked katsu, ensuring every bite is delicious and tender. Now let's set up our breading station. You'll need 3 shallow dishes. In the first, place about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The second dish will hold 2 large eggs, lightly beaten. Finally, fill the third dish with approximately 2 cups of crispy panko breadcrumbs. This organized setup makes the breading process smooth and efficient, ensuring a perfect coating. To bread your steak, first dredge it thoroughly in the flour, shaking off any excess. Next, dip the floured steak into the beaten egg mixture, making sure it's completely coated. Finally, press the steak firmly into the panko breadcrumbs. Ensure a thick, even layer of panko adheres to both sides. This creates that signature crispy crust we all love. Heat about 1 inch of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded steak into the hot oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain on a wire rack. Slice your steak katsu into strips and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy this easy, delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.